95% of people who buy crypto lose money. Not because crypto is a scam, because they make the same 3 mistakes everyone else does. Today I'm going to show you what the other 5% do differently. I've been studying crypto markets since 2017. Survived 2 crashes, made money through both. The strategies that work aren't complex, they're just unpopular because they're boring. Here's the framework that actually builds wealth in digital assets. First principle, position sizing matters more than entry price. The biggest mistake new crypto investors make is going all in on one asset at one moment. The data shows that dollar cost averaging into a diversified crypto portfolio beats lump sum investing 73% of the time over a 3-year window. Set up automatic weekly purchases. Small, consistent, unemotional. Second, understand what you own. Most people buy tokens based on hype without reading a single page of documentation. Before you invest $1, answer 3 questions. What problem does this solve? Who are the developers? What's the token emission schedule? If you can't answer all 3, you're gambling, not investing. Third, have an exit strategy before you enter. Write down exactly when you'll take profits and when you'll cut losses. The people who get rich in crypto aren't the ones who buy at the bottom, they're the ones who actually sell near the top. Set price alerts, stick to your plan, and never move your goalposts when emotions are running high. Your action step, open a spreadsheet right now and write your investment thesis for everything you hold. If you can't justify it in 2 sentences, consider trimming that position. Subscribe for more data-driven crypto analysis. See you next time.